So, in this video, we will talk about job scheduling with deadlines. So, before taking any example and explaining you, I want to say that, see, job scheduling. First, understand the terminology that would be very clear for you. Okay, job scheduling with deadlines. So, the case here is, if you are a person, okay, consider me as a person, and I'm very much greedy about money. Okay, in fact, okay, 50%. In such case, I will do various kind of works daily. I am doing various kind of works. From morning 6 to 7 I will go somewhere and sell some things. From 7 to 8 I will teach someone. From 8 to 9 I will do other work. From 9 to 10 I will make many kind of YouTube videos. Okay, for everything, all these kind of works, is the profit that I earn would be same? No, obviously the profit would vary. If I do a teaching work, I will get approximately 10 rupees for suppose. If I do YouTube videos, I will get 5 rupees for suppose, right? So these are the set of jobs that I do daily to earn some money. For suppose, I have been given a task. That arrange your jobs. Okay, arrange your jobs in such a way, in a list or an array, if you want to say, in an array, such that every job that you do, okay, if you are doing 6 jobs and if the array size is 4, okay, array size is 4 or 3 or anything like that, anything, if anyone asks you, pick out 3 jobs that you do from the list of jobs such that you should earn more profit. See, obviously if you take all the 6 jobs, there would be more profit, but take 3 jobs from the list of 6 jobs in such a way that it gives you more profit. Now there comes the thing in my mind, how? For this problem, now the condition applied is deadlines. Okay, for suppose consider J1, J2, J3, J4. I do 4 jobs. Okay, I get profits as 2 1 1, profit something like 15 20 30. Okay, I will take an example. For suppose right now, understand like this, and for this a very good condition is that applying a deadline. Now what and how this deadline will help us? If you are given a particular time, that is, you should complete it within 1 unit of time. Okay, don't consider 1 hour. Okay, if you consider also, it would be good, but consider a deadline every time as a 1 unit of time. And this is 3 units of time, this is 4 units of time, this is 2 units of time. Okay, so your job 1, job 2, job 3, job 4 will give you this many profits, and deadlines when applied should be completed in this amount of time. Now another condition, I will take a very good example and explain you, don't worry. Another condition is that once the deadline is crossed, that is after certain units of time, once you are unable to do one work, again you can't do that work and it's over, completed, leave it up. Okay, within a particular deadline only you should complete that work. So deadlines are the constraint here that you should remember. Now again, the approaches we will discuss here, there are multiple approaches that we can apply here, so check it out.